So I got a package from HoverAir and I'm so excited because the 00 Robotics have sent me their new HoverAir X1 Pro, which is actually the selfie drone. And the funny thing is that I was actually following their journey and very much wanted to review this on this channel. Let's dig into it. So this is the HoverAir X1 Pro combo version. So it comes with the HoverAir, and I saw that some case to it as well. Let's open it in a nice unbox. Okay, opens very easily. What's in the box? And the first thing which you are kind of reading here is that please read before your first flight. Alright, so inside we have the case, and I assume that inside there is the actual drone, and we also have some additions like manuals, some stickers to your drone. Look at this, look how cool is that, and some other ones as well. Look, different designs. This is cool. I like how they do it, A sample hand frame to try to tear it, and the cover as well, so kind of like a pouch. That's nice. It's always good to have it, especially when you're carrying it. You don't want to scratch it or damage it. And also USB-C cable. So let's open this. For your first flight, choose an open outdoor area to ensure optimal performance and clear visibility. Obviously, we're gonna skip that and we're gonna try it immediately when we open it. So inside the cover, I like that, I think this is a good way. If you're buying this, having that in the cover, a sturdy case, it's a good one, Boom, nice. So I have a drone here and the charger. So look, this is the HoverAir. That's so cool, right? That's how it opens. That's a nice one. I like it. Look how small it is. It just fits my hands. Wow, that X1, they really did it. So I can see that has two cameras. On the front we have a 4K camera, and on the back you have the landing camera. So this camera kind of checks out for your hands and looks for your hands to actually land on it. And I also see in the case that they have a charger for the batteries and the battery. So yeah, I know what you want, so let's just do it. Are you ready for the first flight? So my first flight, I'm gonna choose the indoor mode.
Current mode, indoor follow.
Ooh, OMG! Okay, the first flight is done. I love it. So you have a nice display, on the drone, so you can see it right here. Look how small it is, Like, I like it very much. And it's just so easy to start it. You just press the button, you choose the mode, you press the button and it lifts up. Easy. So this drone weighs 191 grams, which, I think it's pretty good size, especially that most of the regulations kind of are up to 250 grams if you don't have special licenses and stuff like that. So I think this is a good one. When it comes to the cameras, it supports recording in 4K up to 60 frames per second and the 120 frames per second in 1080p. But what I also like, it has a horizontal and vertical mode. So you can also set it that it will just literally create videos for your Instagram or TikTok immediately without editing, right? So there will be vertical, and I very much like it. That's why I call it actually a selfie drone, because I think HoverAir did it a very nice way. When it comes to the battery, this is the main thing. So it can fly up to 16 minutes, which I think it's a little bit of a challenge, because like I would like it to fly at least 20, 16 minutes, it's like goes like that when you're playing with a drone. So it's good to have more batteries, and it's good to have that extra charger. So thanks to it, you can make, more. With the power kind of pack, they have like a power combo with extra battery that gives you like a half an hour, right? And half an hour playing with a drone, it is cool. And obviously it has many different modes, which we're gonna, connect it to phone and check it out. After connecting that to the Hover app, I can see there are many different modes like hover, zoom, follow, orbit, bird's eye. So I'm gonna show you some of them also in the video, so you can see how does the bird's eye look like, the orbits, spiral. They're pretty cool. And also obviously you can do the manual control. So the manual control allows you to fly this drone with your phone for up to 500 meters, which I think is just plenty because it connects to the drone directly, which I think it's cool. But I see that they've also sent me a cool addition, which I see right here. So this is, from what I peeked inside, the beacon. So this is something which they also offer on their website. You can buy it in a bundle. So this is a HoverAir beacon and joystick bundle. So beacon and joystick bundle, actually it does look like this, it does look like that, allows you to connect your drone to this, and thanks to it you have kind of like a 2 mode. So look, this is how it looks. You can assemble it in kind of 2 ways. So the first one is you take the right controller and then you take the screen and then you connect it, I think, and then you can control it with one hand, which is cool. But what you can do, you can also attach the second one like this and then open that and control your drone like that, which then allows you to fly your drone up to 1 kilometer. That is a lot, believe me, that is a lot. So 1 kilometer is actually, that's a proper, fun with the drone. And obviously you can put, this is a slot for your phone, so you can put your phone like on the photo, and thanks to it you can have a bigger screen instead of having that on that small one, It also has the kind of adjustable, those handles, so you can choose that one or that one, whichever kind of you feel fit, but I like it. I think it's a nice addition, especially if you want to fly a little bit more with the drone and you want to have some cool footage of it. So yeah. Another thing which I see in the box is the magnetic clip. So I got the magnetic clip for the beacon. Ah, okay, and the magnetic adapter mount to the beacon. That is a cool one. I also see I got the power adapter, 60 watt power adapter for the 65 watt power adapter for the EU, as I'm currently here. So yeah, I think that's nice. And look, this is the actual one, and this is comparing that to my Motorola, which I'm currently using.
Current mode, indoor follow.
Look at that. Look how small it is. And like, wait, can it actually fit my pocket? Let me see. Is this a pocket drone? Well, I have very tight pockets, so I don't want to break it. So for my pocket, it's actually hard. Maybe the back pocket? Yeah, it does fit the back pocket, look. Yeah, I just realized I'm showing my ass on the video, but that doesn't matter. Because you can just remove the battery like that and then install another one. And if you're, I think this is an entry-level kind of option for, everyone who's looking into drones, as this drone actually costs like 550 euros, plus like I would recommend to grab some accessories immediately, like the combo, like the actual case for it to keep it secure. And I saw that it also comes with like a thermal battery, so for those of you who are doing maybe some skiing sports, like using that in the minus temperature, it has some special options for that. So I think that's very nice. And obviously you can use like a follow button, so it will, like a follow mode to follow you, but you can use it also for cycling, and it can go up to 60 kilometers per hour, which is like 37 miles per hour. That is a decent speed, So yeah, thank you so much, Hover, for sending this to us and for the review. I think that's just, that's just a cool gadget, which if you're thinking about, creating some content, maybe you're traveling alone, yeah, that is a good one. If you want to learn more, I left the link in the description of this video. And if you like it, just like and follow, obviously subscribe to my channel, so you see more tech like that.
MadTechTalk, tech so fly, breaking down gear, let's amplify. Sub like don't miss a thing. Tech reviews with a little bling. We out for now, but stay tuned. More fire tech is dropping soon.